starting with example number 7.5. Express the temperature in Celsius and Fahrenheit scale. So a temperature is given 24.57 Kelvin. They are asked to convert or express it in Celsius and Fahrenheit scale. We'll go to the relation, that is Tc upon 100, that is equal to Tf minus 32 upon 180. Okay, now here one more thing we have Tk minus 273.15 upon 100. Now here we have temperature in Kelvin scale, that is this, and we are asked to calculate in Celsius scale. So we can go with these two equations, that is Tc upon 100, which is equal to Tk minus 273.15 upon 100. 100 from here, 100 from here will get cancelled. Tc is asked to calculate. Tk is given 24.5 minus 273.15. You subtract, you'll get the temperature in degree Celsius scale. Let me help you in subtracting. 273.15 is the bigger number, so I'll write it at the top. 24.5 and 0 over here. Now you can subtract. 5 minus 0 is 5. You borrow. This becomes 11. 11 minus 5 is 6. Again you borrow. Now this 12. 12 minus 4 will give me 8. 6 minus 2 is 4 and 2 over here. So since 273 is a bigger number and it has a negative sign, so it will be minus 248.65 degrees Celsius. If you forget to write this minus, of course you are going to lose marks. In your textbook it is given as, did I make mistake somewhere? Oh, see. It is 24.57 Kelvin and I just took it as 24.5. So 24.57 over here. So I'll have to borrow more. I won't stop over here. This will become 10 and this becomes 15. 15 minus 7 gives me 8 over here. And 10 minus 5 gives me 5 over here. That's it. Rest all will remain same. So the answer is 248.58. And now it is perfect and it is same as your textbook. Now we have expressed in Celsius scale. Let's move to Fahrenheit scale. So we'll go with this 2. That is Tf minus 32 upon 180. That is equal to Tk minus 273.15 upon 100. 1 0 from here and 1 0 from here gets cancelled. Tf is asked. Tk is given to me. Tf minus 32 upon 18. Tk is how much? 24.57. 24.57 minus 273.15 upon 10. So Tf minus 32 upon 18. When you subtract 24 upon, we have just done this subtraction and we got minus 248.58 upon 10. So Tf minus 32, I'll take this 18 over here, so it will be minus 248.58 into 18 upon 10. You multiply this digit, so that is 248.58 into 18. मल्टीप्लाई करो. 8 8 64, 4 यहाँ पर, 6 यहाँ पर, 5 8 40 प्लस 6 46, 8 8 64 प्लस 4 68. Okay, 4 8 32, 32 plus 6 is 38. 2 7 14, 2 8 16, 16 plus 3 is 19. 1 8 8, 1 5 5, 1 8 8, 1 4 4, 1 2 2, 4 8 plus 6 is 14. यहाँ पर 8 plus 1 9 plus 5 14, 17, 14, 4. पॉइंट के बाद 2 डिजिट है तो यहाँ पर 2 डिजिट के बाद में पॉइंट. सो इट इज़ 4474.44 अपॉन 10. उसको ऊपर लेके जाओ तो 10⁻⁻1 हो जाएगा. एंड Tf minus 32 यहाँ पर, और ये माइनस नहीं भूलेंगे, ठीक है. नाउ When you multiply this with 10⁻⁻⁴ तो पॉइंट इस तरफ शिफ्ट हो जाएगा, तो -447.4 बराबर, पॉइंट यहाँ शिफ्ट हो गया तो पॉइंट के बाद अब 3 4 हो गया। एंड TF -32 यहाँ भेज दिया तो +32, माइनस प्लस इज माइनस, सो यहाँ से हम लोग माइनस निकालेंगे, दैट इज 447.3/4, 32 सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, पॉइंट के नीचे पॉइंट, यहाँ पर 4, यहाँ पर 4, यहाँ पर 4, पॉइंट के नीचे पॉइंट, 7 में से 2 निकाले 5, 4 में से 3 निकाले 1, और ये बड़ा नंबर कौन सा है, ये वाला, उसकी साइन -415.3/4 डिग्री फ़ारेनहाइट. This is the temperature in Fahrenheit scale.